The Baumagartner et al. Study of 2008 concerned the role of oxytocin in trust and in economic behavior. The aim of the study was to investigate the role of oxytocin after breaches of trust in a trust game. The procedure is as followed. The participants played a trust game to study social interactions. Some were given extra oxytocin and others were given a placebo using a nasal spray. Participant number 1 receives a sum of money and must decide whether to keep it or share it with participant number 2. If the money is shared, it triples, and if not, it stays the same. Participant number 1 must now decide if the sum should be shared, which showcases trust, or kept, which showcases a violation of trust. The results were as followed. 50% of the game's trust was broken, and then fMRI scans showed decreases in responses in the amygdala and the nucleus. The amygdala is involved in emotional processing and has many oxytocin receptors. The nucleus is associated with learning and memory and plays a role in reward-related responses and learning to trust. This showcases how oxytocin plays a role in learning to trust. Oxytocin could explain why people are able to restore trust and forgive in long-term relationships. Scanner research is merely mapping brain activity, but nothing definite can be said about what it really means at this point in science. Giving oxytocin like this is an experiment may not reflect natural psychological processes. The function of oxytocin is very complex, and it is too simplistic to say that it is the trust hormone.